ongoing effort.
That's what some mayors in Indiana say it takes to create a thriving downtown. News Channel 15's Randy Spieth spoke to a couple of them today about the future of Fort Wayne's downtown, and he joins us with their thoughts tonight from Studio 15.
Well, the state hands out awards to communities that pump life back into downtown. We spoke with some of those community leaders today. They say it takes a combination of things to have one of the best downtowns in the state. And they say Fort Wayne is on the right track. Over 700 leaders from every corner of Indiana are in Fort Wayne for the annual Indiana Association of Cities and Towns Conference. Many are getting a good taste of what the Summit City has to offer.
The Tin Caps Ballpark and the Convention Center, I mean, those bring a lot of activity. The Embassy Theater, there's a lot of great things in downtown Fort Wayne.
Other Indiana communities have had plenty of success of their own. These are pictures from downtown Kokomo. In late 2010, Kokomo was honored by Indiana Main Street for its work on improving downtown. The city was also chosen as the Indiana Chamber of Commerce's 2011 Community of the Year. There, work has been done that's similar to what Fort Wayne's doing now.
A few years ago, all the streets were one-way. We converted them all to two-way. We took out parking meters. We took out 18 stoplights in downtown Kokomo.
It's not just Kokomo seeing success. These are pictures from Goshen's First Fridays. On the first Friday of each month, the town hosts an event that brings big crowds to the downtown. It's a trend other communities are joining in on too.
It's creating an emotional attachment between our residents and our community. So more and more you hear people saying, I love Goshen, or I love downtown Goshen.
It's an event that the Goshen mayor thinks could help Fort Wayne if done right. Kokomo's mayor says Fort Wayne can't stop focusing on downtown if it wants to thrive.
It really never stops. Somebody in Kokomo asked me, when do you think you'll have this done? And I said, well, I hope we never have it done. You want to always continue to improve and reinvest.
The one area both mayors really complimented was Parkview Field and the surrounding area. They think the city will be fine as long as it builds around that. Reporting from Studio 15, Randy Spieth, News Channel 15.